Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Kayen protocol airdrop. Now Kayen protocol is on the Chiliz network, and if you're a sports fan then Chiliz network is for you. Now Kayen has managed to raise the overall funding of around 65 million US dollars. Now before we move on to Kayen protocol airdrop farming, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505. Now, once you sign up on Bybit, you would be also getting access to exclusive airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. In order to farm the Kayen protocol airdrop, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and add Chiliz Spicy Testnet to your MetaMask wallet. Now, if you don't have a MetaMask wallet, you can go ahead and download one and set up one. And please note that farming this airdrop is absolutely free, and I will leave all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate and farm this airdrop. So simply go ahead and connect Chiliz Spicy Testnet to your MetaMask wallet. Now once you have connected this testnet to your MetaMask wallet, head to Tatum and create an account on Tatum. And once you do that, simply head to faucets and go a bit down and click on Chiliz Spicy Testnet. Now as you can see, I have already claimed this faucet, but if you haven't claimed, you can go ahead and simply copy your address on the MetaMask and paste it over here, and then you would be getting 10 Chiliz Testnet tokens. Now once you have Chiliz Testnet token, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and create an account on app Cayen. Now for creating an account, you can simply log in with your Discord and go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet. Now once you do this, all you have to do is the first thing, you can go ahead and swap some Chiliz for, maybe you can swap it with AC Milan. So you can go ahead and swap like one Chiliz for AC Milan token and confirm the swap in your MetaMask wallet. So as you can see, now I have confirmed. Now wait for a transaction to be over, and the next thing that you can do is you can go ahead and wrap some Chiliz for wrap Chiliz. So simply put in the amount that you want to go ahead and wrap. So confirm this in a wallet once again and click on confirm. So now the wrap is done. Now you will need to go ahead and add some liquidity over here. So as you can see, there is this AC Milan to Chiliz over here. So simply click on this and you can select the amount of tokens that you want to go ahead and add to the liquidity pool. And you also have the option of selecting this wrapped. So as you can see, you can go ahead and select this wrapped and go ahead and add this to the liquidity pool. And apart from this, you can also go to offside over here and create your own meme coin or some other altcoin on the Chiliz network, which is optional. And also you can go ahead and bridge from Ethereum mainnet to Chiliz mainnet. So if you are actively using Chiliz mainnet, you can do this. So let me go ahead and show you and connect my wallet first. So as you can see, I've already connected my wallet and I've switched to Ethereum mainnet now. So you have the option of like bridging from Ethereum mainnet to Chiliz, and alternatively you can also bridge back from Chiliz to Ethereum mainnet. Please note that since it's on the Ethereum mainnet, it will cost you a lot of gas fees. So do this only if you are going to use the Chiliz mainnet. So the final thing that you can do in order to farm the Chiliz airdrop is you can head to League and complete all of this task. So there is community task and then there is transactions task. So for this one, you can refer your friends in order to get some additional points, and you can go ahead and connect your Twitter and retweet and join the Telegram. So as you can see, there are these points over here. You can follow the founder Daniel and Oxley, and also you can go ahead and confirm some transactions on Chiliz. So you can go ahead and connect your wallet maximum once per day. So I've already connected my wallet, and then there is, if you go ahead and connect your Bitget wallet, you would be getting some additional points, and if you have a Coin98 wallet, you would be getting more points. Now I think this DEX swap and DEX swap is over. As you can see, I cannot go ahead and claim this. So you can complete all of this task and earn some points on Cayen. So this is all for this video with regards to Cayen protocol airdrop farming for now, and in future if new steps come, I will update in the later videos. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.